Welcome to the Isle of Man, and this is where I call myself home, the luxurious Empress Hotel, located at the heart of Douglas Promenade, just 10 seconds walk from the bus stop. Let me give you a tour. Let's start with some breakfast in the sunny dining room. They also include lunch and dinner. It's also where you can make some cool friends. So at nighttime, this place has been turning into like a little social club, especially when the weather doesn't cooperate. There's a nice pub here, there's a restaurant, and the great thing about it, the food and the drinks are well priced. Not the cheapest, but well priced. Another thing I really like about this hotel is the workout amenities. So you have a fairly equipped gym right here with ellipticals, rowing machines, and when you're done with that, you can go to the steam room. And when you're done with the steam room, there's also a dry sauna. That's all included in the price of your room. So we will start off with the budget option, which everyone's interested in. This is a basic room suitable for singles, solo travelers, backpackers, and so on. After all, this is a twin bed. Just because it's really well priced, that doesn't mean you don't get premium amenities such as in-room coffee, clean towels changed every single day, clean bathrooms and clean rooms in general. That's why you get your own workspace, desk to work with, if you have any projects and so on, and your own closet space. So this is the standard room. You pay a little bit more, but you get a lot more. For example, the size of the bed, super comfortable, not queen but king size bed. You get two separate areas, for example, sleeping area and also work area. So one can be sleeping and one can be working without disturbing each other. That's why most of the room, for this type of suite, has a seaside view, so you can always wake up to the sunrise. So for those of you who want to go all out to be luxurious, they got you covered. This is their Penthouse Suite and it's absolutely gorgeous. First thing you'll notice is not a balcony, a full patio, but also a full living space, as you can see here, where you can sit back, relax, and watch some premium TV channels. They got both international and local. Another thing about this suite is the size of the bathroom is unreal, and super clean, as you can expect. On top of it, full-size closet where you can put in all your clothing, expensive clothing, gowns, and so on. With that being said, I hope you enjoy here as much as I do. So I invite you to come stay here and write your own reviews. Have an amazing trip.